Hey everybody, Colin Reed here with MarineMax in beautiful Charleston, South Carolina. Today I'd like to show you a new inventory piece of ours. It is a 2025 Scout 260 LXF. We have it in the full midnight blue hull color with a beautiful Scout white boot stripe. We have the white rub rail with a stainless steel insert. We also have the boat powered by twin Yamaha 200s in white to match everything else. Let's hop inside and check out some more features. Now that we're on board the Scout 2025 260 LXF, I'd like to point out some key features. First of all, great, nice, spacious walk-through transom here, leading us straight into our boarding door. Great for kids or animals to be able to keep them in and safe. Also, as we move in, I would like to point out the undergunnel rod storage that we have. So you can use boat hooks, fishing rods, anything else, get it up and out of the way. We do have rod holders and cup holders lining the transom here. We also have the boat equipped with fender pros. So we move into the transom of the boat, have a nice large lounger here. Very comfortable, very spacious, within arm's reach. If you need, like you feel like you have to grab on, folds up nice and easy. I always like to point out how clean the bilge is on a Scout boat. Nice, finished off, easy access to anything that you may need while underway. We are also going to have a large port side live well. Is connected to raw water. You also have another raw water connect here on the transom of the boat as well. We do have two large fish boxes on port and starboard side in the floor of this 260 LXF. Also have a nice dive door with boarding ladder as well. Great to be able to pull in that big catch. Another easy access point out on the sandbar. Also a great place if you are diving or anything like that. Folds up nice and easy. Easy to stow away. Right here we have a nice entertainment area with a freshwater sink, cutting board, tackle storage, cup holders, more rod holders. We do have more tackle storage below, along with a nice tackle drawer as well. Do have a trash can directly below our bottle opener, as it should be. Nice Yeti cooler that is magnetized. Great little feature to be able to grab whatever you need out of the cooler while underway. We do have rocket launchers up top, along with JL audio speakers in the hard top and throughout the boat as well. Here at the helm, great comfortable boat to be able to navigate. We have our Scout steering wheel on a tilt base, wireless phone chargers, and we have our 18-inch display here from Garmin as well. Do have our Yamaha binnacle with electric steering and shift. Our mounted compass, our Yamaha vessel gauge to be able to display all engine data from those twin 200s that power this Scout 260 LXF. Switching, windlass control, your horn, bilge pumps, windshield wiper, wash down. We also have the boat equipped with fresh water, so this will be where you access that as well. Do have our VHF radio. As we move forward, I would like to point out the nice, large, spacious head down below. It's also where all of our switching is going to be, and our keys as well. So we move forward. Great feature on this Scout 260 LXF is this large lounger. Very spacious place with armrests as well. Can fit two adults here pretty easy, maybe even an extra kid as well. We do have large storage underneath. That's where our ladder is going to stow for our side boarding ladder as well. We do have a bow filler cushion in place here, so turns this into a very nice large sun pad. We do have cooler storage port and starboard side as well, and then all of this cushioning will come up. We have a anchor windlass on the boat with foot pedals. You can control that at the helm or up here. And we also have rod, cup, and rod holders. So this is equipped for a bow shade. If you'd like to learn more about this Scout 260 LXF or anything else that we have, please feel free to check us out at MarineMax.com or give us a call at 843-747-1889. Once again, I'm Colin Reed, and thanks for watching.